kudos to the staff here, the way they have built the resort and the way they have built the team. I'm really. Hello everybody, you may see me sweating. We are in Wayanad. Supposed to be very cool compared to Bangalore. It's really cool, but we are here in a season that is peak summer, and in order to quench that summer, what we did was booked a stay in Klov Resorts and Spa. And believe me guys, this was the best thing that we did this summer, because it was our wedding anniversary, and also we wanted a place to get out, disconnect and enjoy, get close to nature. And look at what else we have here. This is the entry path. This is the entry road to the resort. On one side it's the forest, and on the other side it's the Kalindi river. And you might remember that bridge where we went on to the other side on our forest trek. We booked a stay in Klov Resorts. Now let us see how Klov Resorts is, how beautiful it is, and I'll take you through all the amenities and facilities of the Klov Resort. This is the entrance. The security guard lets us in. There are nets all across to protect predators from taking away the fish, and there are fishes being bred right inside there. Okay, let's go into the property. So this is the parking place, the parking spot that you just had a look at, and right there is where we have the play area, and this bridge you see is the entrance that will take us to those rooms. And we took my wife's car for this trip, which is really good. It's Tata Punch. We really had a blast on the highway, which was amazing. You see the bridge? That bridge has been built because in the rainy season the Kalindi river splits just before the property, and one flows on that way, the other flows this way. Those cottages that you see are the ones that are called the Kalindi River View Cottage, which we have had the privilege of staying in, and that is the game area that we were talking about. After parking, we have, like I said, two ways. One is this bridge that I'll be taking you through. The other one is the rope bridge that you might have seen when we actually took this forest trek. If you have not seen that forest trek video, I'll attach a link somewhere here. These are the staff quarters. The staff actually stay here with us. And this, my friends, is the bridge that I was talking about. And it is beautiful. Look at this. This is the path I was talking about, where Kalindi river flows during the rainy season. And just look at how many trees are there. These are how entrances for the cottages are paved, and all the cottages have sufficient privacy. It's only that sometimes if you really want to see, you can see the other cottages balcony, but otherwise it's all tucked in. And now there are two paths, one leading straight, which takes you to the other end of the property and to the forest afterwards beyond that. But this path leads us there is a lot of noise in the film. I think I should start shooting this video at a later point. I'm not sure how much the noise is. Let me just check and get back. So this is the path that actually leads us to the cottages. We are interested in this path because this is where all the cottages are, which actually leads to a dining room on the left and a swimming pool on the right. And look at this beautiful swing here. Now the next order of business, to the dining hall. So that is the swimming pool, and that is our cottage. Cottage tour is coming very shortly. Please do watch, because I believe the cottage experience was really good. And now we are here at the dining area. We are almost here. So this is the reception, and right after the reception, beyond the reception, is where we get our dining area. We'll take this slightly private and sneaky path, directly go to the dining. This is a koi pond. A very great experience in midst of such beautiful greenery and having food. Even in the early mornings when we have breakfast, it's such a blissful experience. Amazing waiters who wait on you, and the staff here were exemplary. Having been traveled so much, I've never seen a friendlier staff who are so accommodating and who are trying to make your every moment of your stay memorable. So kudos to staff here, the way they have built the resort and the way they have built the team. I'm really grateful for them, giving me such a great time. And look at all these, when you sit here, have your lunch, looking at the wilderness that's right around, all you can think of is food and bliss. Food and bliss, food and bliss, and the wilderness. Such an amazing time just to sit here, relax and unwind. You don't have to think about anything else. Just take it slow, very slow. Every day we've been doing that for 5 days. We booked a very long stay just to absorb the nature and be here as much as we want. And we have been thrilled that we made this decision. After the dining area, we would now go to the pool area. This is another path that I was talking to you about, which will lead us to all our balconies. So that the place where we have stayed, and there is a tour that is coming on, exclusive room tour. Please don't forget to watch it. And next we're going to the swimming pool, which is right there. Again, look at how beautifully the swimming pool has been tucked in. The first time we walked into the swimming pool, we were really surprised as to how thoughtful the pool has been built. Look at this. Everything is natural around the pool, and it has been tucked in such a way that it's least intrusive. It has every amenities that you want. It may be the showers, the lounge chairs, the baby pool, and or the beautiful swimming pool that we have. Who wouldn't enjoy a swim here? I'm sure I did, and I'm sure every one of you who would choose to come here would definitely do. And after resting a bit in the swimming pool to the massage area,